Hello, and welcome back to Scoper 360, your trusted stop for honest gun reviews, expert insights, and no-nonsense rankings. If you're new here, make sure to hit like and subscribe to support the team so we can keep bringing you high-quality firearm content every week. Today, we're diving into something a little different. We're not talking about the biggest calibers or the flashiest designs. We're looking at the quiet legends, the .22 LR pistols that have quietly dominated the market with their low cost, minimal recoil, and unmatched versatility. But not all .22s are created equal, so which ones truly rise above the rest? Stick around as we count down the top 5 .22 LR pistols of all time, starting from number 5 and working our way up to the undisputed king. Number 5. The Ruger SR22. Introduced in 2010 by Sturm Ruger & Company, the SR22 quickly carved out a name for itself in the modern .22 LR world. It's compact, lightweight, and designed with the everyday shooter in mind, measuring about 6.7 inches in overall length and weighing roughly 1.25 pounds. This pistol offers a smooth shooting experience that appeals to both beginners and experienced hands. It features a 10-round magazine, a polymer frame for reduced weight, and a blowback action that keeps things simple and reliable. Safety-wise, it's well equipped with ambidextrous manual safeties and a decocker, making it user-friendly and confidence-boosting for newer shooters. But it's not just the specs that put the SR22 on this list, it's the way it performs in real hands. The grip feels natural, the trigger is crisp enough for fast follow-up shots, and the recoil is nearly non-existent. From a practical standpoint, it's one of the best training pistols you can own. Is it perfect? Not quite. Some shooters might prefer a more substantial feel or a steel frame, especially those coming from full-size duty guns. But for under $400, the SR22 delivers real value without compromise. With over 600,000 units sold worldwide, it's a modern classic and a reliable choice in any range bag. Up next, we step into a pistol built for precision, crafted for performance, and trusted by thousands of competitors worldwide. Number 4. The Walther 22. First released in 2002, the P22 brought something fresh to the .22 LR market, a compact, tactical-style pistol that looked and felt like a modern defensive handgun. Designed by Walther, a name synonymous with precision and innovation, the P22 was one of the first polymer-framed .22 pistols to really catch on with the public. Weighing in at just around 1.15 pounds and measuring about 6.7 inches long, the P22 feels incredibly balanced in the hand. It's equipped with a 10-round magazine, features ambidextrous controls, and includes multiple safety mechanisms such as a trigger lock and manual safety lever. What makes the .22 stand out isn't just the specs, it's the way it performs. The rubberized grip provides excellent traction, even in wet or sweaty conditions, and the lightweight slide makes racking effortless. On the range, it's accurate enough for training, plinking, and even light competition. Some might argue that the P22 isn't as rugged as some of its steel-framed competitors, and a few early models had issues with ammo sensitivity. But over the years, Walther has refined the platform and made it one of the most reliable pistols in its class. Retailing between $300 and $400, it's a smart buy for anyone looking to blend fun, function, and a bit of tactical flair. With more than 900,000 units sold worldwide, the Walther 22 is more than just a popular choice, it's a proven performer. Coming up next, we look at a pistol born for the competition line but trusted far beyond it. Number 3. The Smith & Wesson Model 41. Introduced in 1957 and still in production today, the Model 41 is a precision tool, purpose-built for serious target shooters and competition use. It's not just a pistol, it's a statement of quality and engineering discipline. Weighing in at around 2.2 pounds and stretching nearly 9.8 inches in length, it's substantial in the hand. With a steel frame that feels rock solid, the standard 5-inch barrel offers superb accuracy, and many models include an even longer option for those seeking ultimate control over shot placement. It operates on a blowback system and uses a 10-round magazine, like most others in this class. But make no mistake, the Model 41 plays in a different league. Its trigger is buttery smooth, with a clean break that precision shooters dream of. Balance, recoil control, and mechanical reliability are simply top tier. Now let's be real, this pistol isn't cheap. Prices often start around $1,200 and go up from there, depending on features and condition. That alone might make it a tough sell for casual shooters. But for those who compete or demand elite performance, the investment pays off in results. With over 800,000 sold globally, the Model 41 has earned its place among the all-time greats. It's not just a pistol, it's a legend. And next, we turn to a gun that's just as accurate but far more approachable for the everyday shooter. Number 2. The Browning Buckmark. Since its introduction in 1985, the Buckmark has steadily built a reputation as one of the most accurate and dependable .22 LR pistols on the market. Designed by the legendary Browning Arms Company, this semi-auto pistol combines precision machining with ergonomic styling, making it a top pick for both casual plinkers and competitive shooters. It measures around 9 inches in overall length, weighs about 1.87 pounds, and features a 4.75-inch barrel that delivers consistently tight groups at short to medium distances. The Buckmark operates on a blowback system with a 10-round magazine. But what really sets it apart is the feel-clean lines, a textured grip that locks into your hand, and a light, crisp trigger that makes every shot feel deliberate. On the range, it's smooth, accurate, and remarkably consistent. Maintenance is straightforward, and the build quality is high. Everything from the anodized frame to the stainless components feels premium. At a price point between $400 and $600 depending on the model, the Buckmark offers serious performance without breaking the bank. More than 700,000 units have been sold globally, and it's not hard to see why. It's one of the few pistols in its class that appeals equally to first-time shooters and long-time competitors. The Buckmark doesn't just deliver, it excels. And now we've come to number 1. A pistol so iconic, so reliable, and so enduring. It has become the benchmark by which all others are measured. Number 1. The Ruger Mark Series. First introduced in 1953 by Sturm, Ruger & Company, this legendary line of .22 LR pistols has become the gold standard for reliability, performance, and long-term value. Over 7 decades and multiple generations, the Mark series has evolved from a simple plinker into a platform trusted by professional trainers, competitive shooters, and collectors alike. Measuring around 10.2 inches in length and weighing approximately 2.2 pounds, the pistol feels balanced and deliberate. Its classic blowback design, paired with a 10-round magazine and an extended barrel, delivers exceptional accuracy with minimal recoil. Whether you're shooting the original Mark I or the modern Mark IV, you'll find the same DNA, unmatched precision, durable steel construction, and a timeless silhouette that just feels right. But what really elevates the Ruger Mark series is its adaptability. With countless aftermarket parts, threaded barrels, and optics-ready models, it's one of the most customizable .22 pistols on the market. In terms of value, it's also unbeatable. Many models can be found between $400 and $600, making it accessible without compromising on performance. With over 1.2 million units sold worldwide, the Ruger Mark series isn't just the best-selling .22 LR pistol of all time, it's the most trusted. Whether you're a weekend shooter or a seasoned competitor, this is the pistol that shows up, shoots straight, and never quits. And there you have it, the top 5 .22 LR pistols of all time, ranked not just by sales, but by real-world performance, reliability, and the lasting impression they've left on the shooting community. Whether you're just getting started or you've been behind the trigger for decades, these pistols offer something that goes beyond the specs, a true connection between shooter and firearm. If you've ever owned or fired one of these, we'd love to hear your experience. Which one's your favorite? And if you could only pick one for your range bag, which would it be? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Scoper 360 to support our team and stay up to date with our future reviews, comparisons, and firearm insights. Until next time, stay safe, shoot straight, and keep exploring the world of firearms with us.